Hi friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you're fine now friends. In this video I will show you the Tron TRX crypto live price prediction. Price change goes at this time and what is the current price of TRX in the market. I will show you friends. So keep watch this video till the end and remember that if you are new on my channel, so kindly subscribe now ABS Tech's channel friends. Thank you so much for subscribing my channel friends. I really appreciate when you subscribe my channel friends. Now let's start the video. First of all, we talk about the current price of TRX. As you can see, the current price is about 0.121246 USD dollar is the current price of TRX coin. If we talk about the price change occur in TRX coin, so the last 1 hour change as negative, last 1 day change is negative, last 1 week change as negative friends. Oh my god, it's gone wrong friends. TRX gone wrong at this time friends. Oh, last 1 week change is negative. That's mean that continuously falling period of TRX coin or starts now friends. So what should that do? Oh my god, a lot of people message me on Instagram and ask me this question that what should we do at this time. We are at TRX owners. So finally I decided to make a video, and this video I will show you this answer friends. So now if we talk about the current market rank of TRX, so the market rank is about 19. Absolutely the rank is good, but the price change goes not good. As you can see here, that is last 1 day price prediction chart on the screen. If we talk about the last 1 day, so the last 1 day change is about negative 2.53% friends. The highest price is about 0.124487 USD dollar is the highest price of TRX. And friends, as you can see here, if we look at the chart, so take a jump for a little time, after jump fast down, take a jump fast down, same process occur in TRX as you can see here. But now if we look at this time, the currently gradually falling period of TRX coin starts now friends. So absolutely that is a bad note friends. Now what should we do at this time? As it is time to buy, sell or hold TRX. Now it's time to hold it friends. As you can see here, you are also in the loss. As you can see here, the last 1 week chain is negative. That's mean that you are on the loss from the previous last 1 week friends. So you have to hold it for and hold your coin with the last of this year friends. 2021 you should have to hold TRX coin friends. When the change become positive, I think it's the best time for you to take your profit and go away from the market of cryptocurrencies friends. Now you are in the loss friends, so don't send it at this time friends. Take your profit in the future friends. The big jump, the big pump of the TRX are coming soon, so please wait for it and make a good amount of profit in the future friends. Now if we do a next move of TRX coins, so as you can see here, and now they are take a jumping friends, they are move upper friends. So hope this jump continues, jump of TRX coin, and they take a high jump, and that is a continue this kind of jump in the previous last in the future last 1 day. So I think they can easily head a 1 USD dollar if this kind of change continue and the future 1 day friends. What's your opinion on TRX? Please share in the comment box friends, and if you have any type of questions about TRX, so please comment me. I will try to answer you, and stay connected with us. Subscribe now. Thank you so much for watching this video.